Hello everyone, welcome back to your mathematics class. So today let's start our exercise, that is exercise 2.3. So solve the following equations and check your result. The first equation is 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. So as we know that variables are on one side and constants are on one side. So 2x goes to this side, so x is equal to 18. Now we have to check the result. We have to put this 18 in the given equation so that both sides are equal, then your answer is correct. So put this 18 in this equation. So 3 into 18, which is equal to 54, that is your left hand side, and right hand side, that is 2 into 18 plus 18, which is equal to 54. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this verified your answer. The next question is 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. So t's are on one side and constants are on one side. So we get t is equal to minus 1. Put this t in the given equation. So left hand side becomes 5t minus 3. So put value of t minus 1. On solving we get t is left hand side is equal to minus 8. And right hand side 3t minus 5, put t is equal to minus 1, we get minus 8. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this verified your answer. If left hand side does not equal to right hand side, that means your answer is incorrect. So next question is 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. So variables are on one side and constants are on one side. So on solving we get x is equal to minus 2. So now check it by putting in the given equation. So put x is equal to minus 2 in left hand side. So we get minus 1. And also put into right hand side. So also we get minus 1. So left side is equal to right side. Hence it verified our answer. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. So variables are on one side and constants are on one side. So we get z is equal to 3 by 2. So to check, firstly put it in left hand side. So 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 3 twos are 6. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. And on right hand side, 2 and 2 cancel. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So left side is equal to right side, which verified our answer. The next is 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. So variables are on one side and constants are on one side. So we get x is equal to 5. So again to check this, we have to put x is equal to 5 in the given equation. So left hand side becomes 9 and right hand side also becomes 9. So this verified our answer. Next is 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So firstly you have to solve the bracket. Multiply 3 on with both x and 1. So 3x minus 3. So after that you can get variables on one side and constants on one side. So as you see, x is equal to 0. So to check this, we have to put in the given equation. So left hand side becomes 4 and right hand side also becomes 4. So this prove our answer, that is left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now the next question is x is equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. So firstly we have to rearrange the equation. 5 goes to this side. So this becomes 5x into 4x plus 10. So now open the bracket. So we get 5x is equal to 4x plus 40. Now rearrange it and get the value of x, that is 40. So now to check, we have to put x is equal to 40 in the given equation. So left hand side is simply x, so x is equal to 40, and on putting right hand side we get also 40. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. The next question is 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Firstly, variables are on one side and constants are on one side. Now take the LCM of 3 and 15 on this side. We get 15 and this is simply solved. After that 15 goes to this side, cross multiplying it. So we get 3x is equal to 2 into 15. Now x is equal to 10. So to check the equation, we have to put x is equal to 10 in left hand side. So we get 23 by 3. And on putting right hand side, we also get 23 by 3. So this verified our answer. So left side is equal to right hand side. In question number 9, 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. So firstly, rearrange the equation. Y is on one side and constants on one side. So we get 3y is equal to, as the LCM is same, so 26 minus 5 over 3, that is 21 by 3, that is 7. Now y is equal to 7 by 3. Now to check, we have to put y is equal to 7 by 3 in the given equation. So when we put in left hand side, we get 19 by 3, and when we put in right hand side, we also get 19 by 3. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified our answer. Next question is 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. So firstly, rearrange the equation. M goes to one side and constants are on one side. So on rearranging and solving, we get m is equal to 4 by 5. Now to check it, we have to put in the given equation. Firstly, left hand side becomes 3m is equal to 3 into 4 by 5 is equal to 12 by 5. And on right hand side, we have to put it, so 5 and 5 get cancelled, so 4 minus 8 over 5, we have to take the LCM, we also get 12 over 5. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence verified the equation. So this is done with your exercise, that is exercise 2.3. Thank you.